This is a video for how to go about utilizing the extrude function in AutoCAD 2025. When I open AutoCAD, I'm going to go into a brand new drawing design file, and you'll notice I have my X and Y coordinates. We're going to go ahead and just draw for ourselves a circle, and we're also going to grab a hold of the rectangle command, and let's draw ourselves a rectangle. Say enter. We're going to go up to the top right hand corner and click on our house button, and this now puts us in an ISO top view. And if we go down to our model menu down here, you'll notice that we're in something that says isometric drafting. It says off ISO draft, but you can right click and tell that we're kind of in an isoplane topish kind of view, even though we're not an isoplane top. If I click on isoplane top, it would obviously change the isometric view, but us utilizing this view cube allows us to see things in a way that we can create 3D objects without going in to the isoplane view. So we're going to go to 3D tools and we're going to click on extrude. We're going to click on the outside edge of the object. We're going to right click and say enter, and we're going to drag up, and you'll notice that it created this 3D object, but I don't see like any body to it. I just kind of see these lines bringing it up. To shade it in, we're going to go to 2D wireframe and click. That's a left click, not a right click, and we're going to go down to shaded. And you're going to see it's going to shade in that object. Makes it look like it has some mass. We can also utilize the extrude function by typing extrude and hitting enter, clicking on our object, right click, enter, and go ahead and drag up. Now, one thing I would like to demonstrate before towards the end of the video is if we just utilize the line command to create any object, any kind of a polygon shape, and I say enter. If I were to go to 3D tools and go to extrude, and I click, it's only letting me click on just these lines. And when I click on these lines and I say enter to extrude, it's only seeing these as, this almost looks like a fenced-in yard or something. It's only seeing these as edges. And what I need to do is have AutoCAD see this as just one object. So what we need to do is type the word join and hit enter. And when we type in join, you'll see down at the bottom it says select source objects or multiple objects to join at once. I want to join all of these as one thing. So you could click on each one of these individually, or you can click and drag a window over the top of all four. It says 4 found. I'm going to right click to say enter, and it says 4 objects converted to one polyline. What that means now is this is seen now as just one object. I'm going to go to extrude. I'm going to click on the outside edge. I'm going to say enter. And as I drag up, I haven't hit a number yet, but all I have to do is just hit like the number 6. Let's say 6 inches up, and that right there is our solid. This is a way to take some of your basic sketching and kind of learn to do some massing within AutoCAD. Typically in AutoCAD we can sketch isometrically. We can do a lot of different things, but generally when I use AutoCAD, I'm generally cranking out schematic drawings and just doing two-dimensional type things. Kind of a neat way to get some three-dimension understanding and some body to some of the objects that you create. So this has been a video for how to go about utilizing the extrude function in AutoCAD 2025.